Students, today we are going to enjoy one interesting story. We are well known about this story in Marathi. Akash Padlay Pada Pada. So in our English subject, see on page number 35. One story is there and name of that story is The Sky is Falling. But it's in English language. Now I am going to read it. You have to listen very carefully. Once, what happened? There was a dear little chicken called Chicken Licken. She was hopping about under a big tree when a leaf fell right on her head. Oh no! Oh no! The sky is falling, said little chicken, and she started to run. By and by, she met Henny Penny. Why are you running, Chicken Licken? The sky is falling, and a piece of it fell right on my head, said little chicken. Then, after that, oh, said Henny Penny, and she too began to run with Chicken Licken. By and by, they met Cocky Locky. Now, they met Cocky Locky, and Cocky Locky is asking them, why are you running, Chicken Licken and Henny Penny? Chicken Licken and Henny Penny, why are you running? So, then, the sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Oh dear, said Cocky Locky, and after that, he too began to run with them. By and by, they met Ducky Lucky. Why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, and Cocky Locky? Here, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, and Cocky Locky, these three are running. And now Ducky Lucky is asking them, why are you running? That time, they replied, the sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Dear me, said Ducky Lucky, and she too began to run with them. By and by, they met Goosey Pussy. Now, one more character is there, Goosey Pussy. So, Goosey Pussy is asking them, why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, and Ducky Lucky? Now, they replied, what? The sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. When Goosey Pussy heard this, she began to run with them without saying a word. Without saying any word, who began to run? Goosey Pussy began to run with them. By and by, they met Foxy Loxy. Now one more character is there, Foxy Loxy. One fox is there. Foxy Loxy is there. Now he's asking them, why are you running, Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey Pussy? Now they all replied, the sky is falling. A piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. The sky is falling, and a piece of it fell right on Chicken Licken's head. Now, what happened? Now we will see. Foxy Loxy was a cunning fellow. Okay, you don't worry. Foxy Loxy replied, you don't worry. She said, I will take you all to a safe place. He took them all to his cave. Go inside my cave and you will all be safe, he told them. What? He told them, what? Go inside my cave and you will be safe in my cave. So in went Chicken Licken, Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, and Goosey Pussy. After that, ha, Foxy Loxy said, you foolish creatures, I have caught you all. Who said this? Foxy Loxy said this, "You are foolish creature." After that, they replied, "Help, help, Chicken Licken," and her friends began to shout. Doggy dear heard their shouts. Now, dog is there and he heard their sounds. He ran to the cave. "Beware, Foxy Loxy," he shouted, "here I come." And then the Foxy Loxy began to run without saying a word. She ran far away. Now, at the last moment, who helped them? One dog, Miss Doggy Dear, helped them. And he saved this all from the Foxy Loxy. So thank you, students. You have to listen this all very carefully and you have to enjoy this story.